The next section, found on page 10 and 11 of the document, concerns extra products. So we have overage products, day extension products, and then swaps. For the overages and day extensions, in the back-end dashboard for WordPress, under WooCommerce, you can go to extra products. And in this section, you can add these charges to any order that has been placed. And the overage charge and the day extension charge go hand in hand with each order. So it's pre-populated based on what product was purchased. So you can extend the day extension a certain number of dollars by 2 extra days or 11 extra days. Same thing with tonnage, so an extra 2 tons, in this case would be $130. Then you can add that charge to that particular order. Concerning swaps, the customer has the ability to request a swap when the dumpster is full. Currently, the functionality for the user to request a swap directly on the website is not in place. So that aspect of the scope of work has not been fulfilled by Classic City. The other aspects of the extra products section you can see are functioning here on the website.